What's going on? It's me, Bricks, and you're watching Bricks TV. Today, I'm gonna unbox my loot crate. This is the November loot crate, and let's see what's surprised inside. Let's get started. Knife, be careful. Alright, let's see what's in surprises. First, we got the shredder mask, plastic mask. Pretty cool. Look at that. Okay, let's see what's next. We have a badge pin. It says Loot Crate November Combat. And we got the Hunger Games Mockingjay Gold Eagle pins. Oh no, it's a Phoenix. Okay, the Gift of Geek from Loot Crate. Okay, we got some cute but deadly. I think it's a sticker magnet. And cute but deadly Series 1 figure. And this from Blizzard Entertainment. Just open it up. I'm gonna open it. So we're gonna put it together. It's a little stand, and this is the monster, or whatever. And we got Bulk Boy bobblehead. Okay, let's open this one. Pretty cool. It's a bobblehead. And we got some little magazine about November 2015 Loot Crate. It's like a more combat. It says everything in there. And lastly, we have Street Fighter comic book. That's awesome. It's #1, Capcom. Okay, that's all for November Loot Crate. Let's take a closer look. Alright guys, that's all the cool stuff we get from November Loot Crate. Okay, this is Bricks, and you're watching Bricks TV. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.